Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture on drone surveying in construction and infrastructure. Drone surveying has become a powerful tool in the construction and infrastructure industries. Traditionally, surveying large construction sites required significant time, manpower, and repeated field visits. Today, drones allow engineers and project managers to capture accurate site data quickly and efficiently. By using aerial mapping and photogrammetry, drones provide real time insights into construction projects, helping teams monitor progress, improve planning, and make better decisions. Let's explore how drone surveying is used in construction and infrastructure projects. Site mapping and planning. Before construction begins, engineers need a detailed understanding of the terrain. Drone surveys can quickly capture high resolution aerial images of the project site. These images are processed into orthomosaic maps and topographic models, which provide accurate information about the terrain, elevation changes, and existing features. This data helps engineers plan road layouts, building placements, drainage systems, and utility networks more effectively. Monitoring construction progress. One of the most valuable uses of drones in construction is progress monitoring. By conducting regular drone surveys throughout the project, teams can compare the current site conditions with the original plans. This allows project managers to track construction progress and identify delays or deviations from the design. Drone maps also provide a visual record of the project over time, which can be useful for reporting and documentation. Volume measurement and earthwork analysis. Construction projects often involve large amounts of earth moving, such as excavation, grading, and filling. Drone generated elevation models allow engineers to calculate cut and fill volumes, helping them determine how much material has been moved or needs to be moved. This information helps construction companies manage resources efficiently and control project cost. Infrastructure inspection. Drones are also used to inspect infrastructure such as roads and highways, bridges, railways, power lines, pipelines. Traditional inspections of these structures can be time consuming and sometimes dangerous. Drones allow engineers to capture detailed aerial images and 3D models of infrastructure, making it easier to detect damage, structural issues, or maintenance needs. Improved safety on construction sites. Construction sites can be hazardous environments with heavy machinery and complex operations. Drone surveys allow teams to collect site data without placing personnel in risky areas. This improves safety while still providing the information needed for planning and monitoring. Faster data collection. Another major advantage of drone surveying is speed. Large construction sites that might take several days to survey manually can often be mapped in less than an hour using a drone. This efficiency allows construction teams to make faster decisions and respond quickly to site changes. Here is the summary of this lecture. Pause and have a glimpse once again. Drone surveying has transformed how construction and infrastructure projects are planned, monitored, and managed. By providing accurate aerial data, detailed maps, and 3D models, drones help construction professionals improve efficiency, reduce cost, and enhance project safety. In the next lecture, we will explore another important industry, how drone surveying is used in mining operations for stockpile measurement and site monitoring.